jet life. Got a jet. Okay. Family only. You heard. Frank, good looking. Yeah, you know.
Where are we?
We at Teterboro. Frank came through on a late night.
Walk right through TSA.
Like,
what TSA?
What bag? What we checking?
What package?
What we checking? I would love some champagne. Please. For the culture. Please, for the culture. Okay. Thank you. Yeah, we've done one of my favorites. KK, where we going? To where?
Miami.
You said Atlanta first.
Get
My
ready to
boots.
fly.
Yo. Move back. Move up.
Y'all stop.
Stop.
Stop. They fighting. Y'all can't go nowhere, Jaden. You always gotta be extra.
I'm trying to lay down. Yo,
You can't go nowhere while fighting.
yes, it's maxed out. Mom, I'm maxed out. I don't hear. So can you move?
No, it's slide back.
Mom, I'm maxed out.
All right, relax. If you was on JetBlue, we would be just like this. So get used to it. He's at the bottom.
Sis, pass the snack bag. Sis, pass the snack bag. Let me see what's in the snack bag. Let me see what's in the snack bag. My mother always gotta overpack something. You always gotta overpack something like it's a picnic.
Talking about overpacking, you need to move these bags so I can lay back. So I should try to lay down.
Sis, pass the snack bag. Oh, I thought I ain't wear heels in 5 months. That's dumb. Jay, pass me them Yeezy slides. Please. KK. Wake up. Wake up, mama. Jaden. B-man.
I'm tired.
You tired? You going to sleep? Wow.
When I get in there, I'm not going to sleep. I don't even think I'm going to go back.
Wow. Outside.
My body tells me to stay up, but my mom tells me to take
My mom's telling me no. Oh, my siblings is so funny. Sasha, can you finish my eyelashes? Because you gave me a quickie. And it's really upsetting me.
I gave you what you was doing.
Sasha. Sasha. Can you finish the long break that you took? See, this is the problem. She don't treat her clients like that. Pero no importa. Pero mío. Wow, she took a break from my lashes. She ain't even finished my lashes. You grimy. Don't say to me. Jaden. What did happen?
So I brought the hookah, everything else, but no holes.
The most important.
You dumb. How you bring a hookah with no holes?
Forgot.
No, because what I don't understand is how everybody got their own room, but they want to come over here and sleep with your girl. Like, y'all want to come over here and pack up with the cool kid. Like, it's not giving that. Period. That was my charger.